ॐ श्री साई नाथाय नमः।
Saram, the self-realized persons are always fearless in nature. How? Who is a self-realized person? A self-realized person is the one that who realizes that he has come to reflect the image of the Lord and image of his goodwill and gesture to tell this universe to fellow human beings. And that is the thing. Such a person will be a fearless person always. A good example can be given to you. You might have heard about a great saint by name Appar Swami, who was a great Saivite, Shiva Bhakta, and he has done a lot of miracles in his life. Being a Shiva Bhakta, he was tortured by that king who belongs to the Jain community in those days. Perhaps it may be in 6th century, between 3rd century to 6th century, his period. So that time, so he was tortured not to believe Lord Shiva, and he has to follow the Jain religion principles. So at such instance, once he was put up in a limestone cave in such a way that he will be burned into ashes maybe in a few days after he was drowned in a limestone cave. But that time it so happened after a few days, when the king's people wanted to open and see what happened to his life, for their surprise, they found that he was alive, and that total limestone cave was filled up with flowers. Then the next instant, the king wanted to kill him by an elephant. When the elephant came, the king's elephant came with, the elephant was actually motivated to kill Appar Swami, but when the king came in front of him and saw his eyes, and I don't know, a great feeling went inside the elephant, and it started making pradakshina of Appar Swami and bowed its head to Swami and ran away from there. Here, in these two incidents, Appar Swami he showed courage, and he was a fearless person. How it has happened that a fearless person, a person become fearless since he has got 100% faith in the Lord himself. This is what our Swami Baba also mentions in his life throughout. In his various life incidents, in a jewel theft case also, he showed courage, and he told the people that he has not stolen, with 100% courage and faith over Swami. When he was to argue with some saints, he stood up with 100% courage to argue with those people and to prove the greatness of Lord. So, a realized person of himself will always be fearless. Hence, all of us, what should we take from this incidents, that we will become fearless once you realize who you are, and to realize the God himself within us. Saram.
ॐ श्री